You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Veteran Nollywood actor Babatunde Omidan, popularly known as Baba Sue, who is an indigene of Igbogbo, Ikorodu, Lagos State, who recently battled with chronic diabetes, is now hale and healthy, and he was seen on set with other veteran actors, Bolaji Amusan, popularly known as Mr. Latin, and Wale Akorede, better known as Okunu, in an image which he shared on his Instagram page. Some of his lovely fans then took to his comment section to congratulate him and express their happiness as he is now back on set. Recall that Baba Sue returned from the United States of America, where he went for treatment after becoming ill with diabetes. Nollywood actor Yomi Fabiyi announced the return of the comic actor to the country and also provided what he called the final update on the health of the veteran. Baba Sue survived, he made it, and near 100% recovery, Fabiyi wrote. His statement reads,
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.